Good morning everyone, my name is AHYAN and I am from first SEM and branch aeronautical engineering, and name of the product for this activity is interior design of a car, and this is our logo BAPS Automotive, as you can see. And the feedback collected during the entropy is mentoring some of the requirement and the feeling about the product has said to be the customer during the empathizing activity. The material should be eco-friendly, a wide range of interior modification available by modifying the interior it improves the ambience of it, and define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirement of the customer. Many new features are to be added of existing product, like to be added ambient lighting, moon lighting, small refrigerator and 240-volt socket, and the product's futuristic name is Fuse. The prototype. In the prototype stage, the real working model has been to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint and the mentor of the drawn a sketch, the sketch is given below. As you can see, the sketch in the left side and the final product in the right side. And testing, and I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion on the satisfying the testing stage. Thank you.